If you've got a wooden bed that makes creaking noises when you move around on it, the noise is possibly coming from the connectors holding the bed together, but most likely is coming from the wood-on-wood contact. This can either be from the wooden slats under the mattress or the bed head and bed end rubbing against the beams holding them together. There are two things you can try to fix the problem. First is you can add some kind of rubber or foam under the slat ends to stop them knocking. Second is adding something to the end of the beams holding the ends together to stop the wood from creaking. You will need a few items to fix the problem, such as a candle or talcum powder at the very least, and if you are willing to spend a few dollars, go buy some foam rubber and felt tape. First, take the mattress off the wooden base and then remove the wooden slats. Now, if you think it's the slats making the noise, you can apply some foam rubber or felt tape at the ends of each slat to stop the noise. I myself used foam rubber on my bed, and it worked 100% and has not failed in years. But as for the bed head and bed end rubbing on the beams holding the bed together, that has been a trial and error to stop the creaking. I did try rubbing candle wax on the ends of the beams, and that stopped the creaking for a few months, but it's slowly coming back. So now I am trying felt tape. I think that will do the job for sure. Once you have removed the side beam one side at a time, apply the felt tape so it covers most of the wooden end, so there's no chance it can rub again. Do this to each corner. It doesn't need to look pretty as it will be hidden once the bed is back together. While you have the bed apart, you can also use either some dry lube spray or talcum powder on the brackets and metalwork, in case they are squeaking a little. Before you put the slats back on the bed, I suggest you give the area a good vacuum as you don't get many opportunities to do so. Now that you have done all of that, put the bed back together and you are done.